Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error code. It's like SYS_error or dev error 10493, and let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is go over to like the home page and click on the options button on your controller, which is this button. Once you click on that, check for updates. So make sure that there are no updates available for the game. If the game is up to date, then you're good to go. So if there is an update, download it and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is simply just restart your PlayStation 5, and you can do that by going all the way down to power and then simply just restart PlayStation 5. You know, once it starts back up, open up Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method you guys can try doing is turn off your PlayStation. So basically go back to power again and just turn it off. And what you want to do is you want to unplug all the wires out of your PlayStation 5. So the HDMI wire, and there's another one as well, I forgot what it's called, but basically just unplug everything, wait 30 seconds to a minute, replug it, and then start your PS5 back up or PS4, whatever you're on, and check to see if that fixes the issue. And yeah, that is it for the video. Hopefully this does help you fix the issue, and yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.